are made. How wise people are made? Yuris Tsenko.
Who is the wisest of men? The oracle said that no man is wiser than Socrates. It has become a rule that Socrates is an inventor of Socratic method. It's a form of asking and answering questions to stimulate critical thinking and to clarify ideas. Let's follow the way of Socratic method to understand the wisdom of Socrates. So, my question is, what is the meaning of the story about Socrates' advice to a young guy who asked if he should get married? The answer was, by all means marry. If you get a good wife, you will become happy. If you get a bad one, you will become a philosopher. As for me, it appears like Socrates advises to a guy to get married and be happy but unintelligent, or wise but unhappy. Take your option. But friends, why has Socrates pointed out a philosophy as an ultimate aim of unhappy marriage? Why not a poet, a singer, political figure? And why a wife should be a root cause for changing something in the life? Many historians think that Socrates was not happy in his family life. They portrayed his wife Xanthippe as a horrible woman. She provoked everyone and made angry everyone. But nevertheless, there was a method why Socrates chose his wife, because of her argumentative nature. He said, I know well, if I can't tolerate her spirit, I can with ease attach myself to every human being else. Thus, it appears that Socrates got a good training partner for his philosophical ideas. I was on friendly terms with one guy in my early 20 years. He was cheerful, careless, fashionable young fellow. He liked party, event, fun, and dating. Then he met at one party a beautiful girl and married her. Our roads parted. We met by chance recently and talked about one thing and another, and then I was surprised of what he said. He had published a book about a business. I was surprised because I knew him well. He did not have passion for writing or even reading books. But anyways, I appreciate his work and I hope he will find his audience. Then I asked him about his life in general. He told me about his family. He has two daughters. The elder one is 15 years old. She takes dance classes and participated in many dance contests. He showed me his family photos and her photo particularly. We looked at these photos and friends, do you know this entire woman's stuff for dances? Makeup, hairdo, short open dress and high heels. And do you remember this Britney Spears song? I'm not a girl, not yet a woman. This song resonated with her pictures. Don't get me wrong, there was nothing immoral on these pictures. It was just about dances. But I know the dark past of my friend. I know about his dating affairs in his early 20s. So I asked him, Buddy, how do you deal with that? He cried, don't ask me, don't ask. Look at him. This guy embraces her with passion. I looked at the picture. The the two teenagers there. I did not ask about the guy who was embracing his daughter. Maybe he is her classmate or dancing partner. I don't know, but my friend was confused. He said, "Do you understand now how could I write my book? I use my sleepless nights." I see, brother. I see. You did not mention your younger daughter. Therefore, I am waiting for your next book. Friends, you have undoubtedly heard the proverb, even a wise man stumbles. Maybe Socrates stumbled and could not accomplish his method. You don't need to be a Greek philosopher to meet people who will help you with love to gain new knowledge, sharpen your skills and abilities. These people are our nearest friends and relatives who are engaged with love in the process of preventing us from failing, making mistakes, of pursuing our dreams. They love to criticize us as much as possible. Of course, it's all for our own good. What would we do without such friends and relatives like them? Fellow Toastmasters and guests, remember, wise people are made. They are tolerant people. Therefore, add value to Socrates' practice. Think of people who inspire you the most. Very often the best people for you are those who frustrate you and annoy you the most. Look for the positive in them, and you will probably find it. This is a way of being wise.